Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. It's another episode here on Custom Car Bros, and in this episode I'm going to show you guys how to fiberglass repair cracks in fiberglass or metal, or even I think I've heard that it does it in wood as well. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So first off, you are going to need some fiberglass resin. This is just the Bondo brand, and it's the only one I could find for a relatively cheap price, and I've heard really good reviews about this stuff. Second, you're gonna need some fiberglass mat, which is actually like this, it's like actually the fibers in the glass. So you're gonna need that. This is the resin, this is the mat. You're also gonna need a fork or something to stir it up with, so that way you can actually apply it as well. Then you're gonna need a piece of, or a foam bowl. You're gonna also wanna get some aluminum foil and put it in the inside of it. And this is where you're gonna mix your your fiberglass up and then apply it. You're also gonna need some gloves. These are just some simple blue latex gloves, and they'll work really good. You're definitely gonna want a mask because you do not want to breathe in these fumes. Alright, so that is all you're gonna need, so let's go ahead and jump right in. And then you're gonna want to take your fiberglass resin, shake it up, and pour approximately however many ounces you're gonna need. I believe I'm gonna need around 4 to 8 ounces, so somewhere in there. I'll probably just fill it up in that area. So here's the formula. So for every ounce, you need 12 drops of the hardener. Now, the hardener comes on the top actually of the resin itself. This comes on top in this little plastic housing. So basically, you're gonna put 12 drips in there, and that should work really, really good. At least that's the formula I learned, and hopefully it works. Alright guys, so this is where we start actually mixing stuff. I cut up a little short fiberglass piece that's barely big enough, and then a really, really big fiberglass piece that'll get me right in there. Now I probably want to cut an angle on it, so that way it'll just flush right up with the angle of the cut. Now, this is the inside sail panel of a 1995 Mustang, also known as a superstang, but I just want to make sure that it looks good from the outside and the inside. We're going to do it on both sides, but the inside is less important. That's why I'm doing it first. So if it's your first try, put it on something that's less important, or even try it on something, just crack a piece of fiberglass or something like that. I don't know. Just try it for your first time on something that's not important. All right, guys, so here is where we actually start. We're going to go ahead, open up the hardener. Go 48 drops, and this is going to be quite interesting to see. Alright guys, so you have to drill a hole in the tip. Just a quick little tip. Alright, I'm only going to put in 27 because that seems like a ridiculous amount actually, because seeing it coming out, it may not be perfect, so I'd rather have it dry, take a little bit longer to dry, but usually you want to play it safe and put more in. Mix it up with the fork. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and apply it just like I'm showing you. Alright, I'm going to leave it like that and see how long it takes to dry. It'll be dry to the touch. I'll see you guys when it dries. Alright guys, so this is a day later. We just let it dry overnight, and it filled up that crack really good. It's really nice and hard to the touch. So I think that formula was wrong. I think it might have been 12 drops per 4 ounces. So don't quote me on it, but that dried it up really good for 12 drops per 4 ounces. But we also did not put any on the other side because I didn't think it really needed it. You just want to go ahead and put some body filler on the outside, like right here, and sand some of this primer that's leaked through the holes that you were supposed to drill. And then if it keeps cracking, you probably have the fiberglass over the outside as well. Just like that, this video's over, and I'm out.